Hello, everybody. I hope that you're doing well and especially safe in this current situation that we're going through. My name is Chrisol and I do work in the art of communicating as a French trainer. So, as a French trainer today, I decided to make this video in order to show you or to teach you how you can greet somebody in French. And this video, I personally believe that it will help not only you, the one learning French, but even the one who is not learning French can still be able to greet somebody in French. So let's get there. Notice it's not that much easy. Trust me, it's so simple, so easy. After watching this video, trust me, you'll be able to greet someone in French. Let's get there. All right, as you can see here, I made this table now to make you understand. All right, frankly speaking, this video will help you. It's not that much difficult. French is not that much difficult. If you really love something, you will see that the more you're practicing every day, the more you are applying what you're learning every day, it becomes so easy. So today we're going to see how you can greet somebody in French, how you can ask him, how are you in French, right? So the first thing or the first way that we greet somebody in French is bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. So this bonjour is used in the morning time. When you're in the morning time, we use this bonjour. But most of the French speaker, the French native speaker, they will use this bonjour even in evening, at any time. Evening, afternoon, you will still be using this bonjour. But this bonjour is mostly used for morning time, okay? And it is a formal way of greeting somebody, good morning, okay, or hello. So after bonjour, we have bon après-midi, bon après-midi. Bon après-midi is nothing but good afternoon or hello. So I think you can realize that in the end I was adding hello, 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 because this is a greeting. Most of the time you can say hello to somebody, even in evening, afternoon, or anytime you can use hello. So that's why I was adding this hello in the end. So bon après-midi, bon après-midi, bon après-midi. This means good afternoon. I forgot something that you don't separate this bonjour, okay? Don't do the way that I did here with bon après-midi. Bon après-midi, you can see that there is a two part. There is the first part, which is a bon, and après-midi, there is slash dividing après and midi. Midi itself means noon, and après means after. So bon après-midi now means good afternoon. So bonjour means good morning. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. And after that, we have bonsoir. Bonsoir is nothing but good evening or hello. Good evening. When you meet somebody in evening, you greet him good evening. After that, we have one of the way that we greet, that mostly use, but is informal way. It's not that much formal, which is sali. And this one is mostly we mostly use it with friends. Okay, like when you having when you are with your friend, you can still greet them sali. Don't use this when it's coming formal way or formal meeting. You greet people sali. It's not that much good. So sali is used for when you're talking to your friend, you want to greet your friend, then you can greet somebody to whom you are friendly. So you use sali. The same way with kuku, and this one mostly girls use this. But it's also somehow used as hello or a. Like you see, hi, good morning, like sali, which means hi, or hello at the same time. And kuku, well, I don't use this one, but it's also somehow useful when you're talking to your friend. Okay, is hello or hey, like in English, right? Hey, how are you? The same way also that we do in French. So after greetings, people, I think you were able to catch me. I was saying that bonjour is used for morning. Okay, bon après-midi is used for afternoon. Bonsoir is used for evening. Sali, you can use sali at any time. Coucou at any time. But be careful when somebody, for example, you meet somebody that is greeting you bonjour in the afternoon, it's not wrong. when especially those who speak in French, you will see that most of the time they will be using bonjour even in the afternoon or in the evening. They can still use bonjour, but it's mostly used in morning time. So after greeting people, we go to the next step where we have to ask them how they are, right? All right. So as you can see here, I wrote, "How are you?" in French. How are you in French? How are you in French? Right? All right. So in French, we have a different way of asking someone how are you. So the first thing is like comment tu vas? Comment tu vas, which means how are you? Comment tu vas? You see, this one, comma in English is comment, right? But here is not comment. Here is like how. Excuse me. Comment tu vas? Okay, which means how are you? So in French, we can still reverse the subject with the verb. So here you see the first one, the subject is still coming before the verb, but in the next one, I reverse the subject with the verb, but the meaning in English is still the same. So comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? And comment tu vas? Both of them are correct and same in English. You don't need to bother yourself when somebody is asking you comment vas-tu or comment tu vas. When someone is asking comment tu vas or comment vas-tu, both of them mean the same. Okay. So the next one is comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous is a formal way of comment tu vas. You see here, I will be maybe explaining the next coming video on the next coming session that how this verb means what this aller and aller, right? So comment allez-vous is a more formal. This one is informal way. Whenever you see T, is like formal way. You're greeting someone or one direction, or you're greeting one person. Okay. So, but when you greet comment allez-vous, you can greet one person only, or you can greet more than one person in. You can greet one person in formal way, or more than one person in plural form. So this one means comment allez-vous, which still mean the same thing in English. Okay, in English still mean the same thing. How are you? So comment allez-vous or comment vous allez. I still reverse the subject with the verb. So the next one is ça va, and this ça va means are you fine or are you okay? Are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Good evening, hello, are you okay? So in French we say salut or comment tu vas or ça va. Okay, ça va. Oh, Jérémy, ça va? Oh, Rose, ça va? You see, we use this ça va in order to ask somebody, are you okay? Are you fine? So the next one is comment ça va? Okay, so here we did not, this one is like short form. Okay, I did not use comma. So you can still use comma, or you can read this one. And this one is more friendly when you are asking your friend, oh, mon ami, ça va? Okay, mon frère, ça va? Someone to whom that we are friendly. We can use this ça va. And comment ça va? Here we add now comment ça va, which still means the same thing. Okay, comment tu te portes? Comment tu te portes? Comment tu te portes? This means how are you doing? Comment tu te portes? I think you were able to catch me, right? So I was saying that the first thing is comment tu vas? Comment tu vas means how are you? And you can still reverse the subject with the verb. The verb will come first and the subject will come after the verb. But the meaning in English is still the same, which means comment vas-tu? How are you? Comment vas-tu? Comment tu vas? Comment vas-tu? Both of them are same. Okay? Don't bother yourself. Comment vas-tu means how are you? Comment tu vas also means how are you? So the next one is comment allez-vous, which means how are you? Comment vous allez, which means how are you? Ça va, which means are you okay? Ça va. Mon ami, ça va. Mon frère, ça va. Okay. Comment ça va? You're still asking a question. Comment tu te portes? How are you doing? You get it? All right, so let's go to the next part. So after greeting, asking someone, now we have to receive the answer from the person, right? So you can say, je vais bien, okay? Je vais bien, which means I am fine. Je vais bien, I am fine, okay? Oui, ça va. You see here, we had a question which was, ça va, okay? And the answer, we remove the question mark. It become, yes, I am okay, okay? Oui, ça va. This we means yes. That's why I put yes before. Oui, ça va, okay? Je me porte bien, okay? I am doing well, or I'm doing good. Both of them are the same, okay? Like, je vais bien, ça va bien, okay? Non, je suis malade. This one, for example, no, I am not, okay, I'm sick, okay? No, I am sick, okay? Non, je suis malade. Non, je suis malade. Ça va très bien. Ça va très bien. I am very fine. Ça va très bien, okay? Je ne me sens pas bien, s'il vous plaît. Sorry. Je me sens pas bien. Je ne me sens pas bien. Je ne me sens pas bien. Okay, that means I am not feeling well. I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling well. Okay, je ne me sens pas bien. Okay, these are the way that we can answer when they ask us a question. So the first one was je vais bien. Oui, ça va. Je me porte bien. Non, je suis malade. Ça va très bien. Je ne me sens pas bien. Okay, this is the way how we can greet people. So for example, someone, oh hello Jérémy, comment ça va? Okay, salut Jérémy, comment ça va? Bonsoir Elohim, bonsoir Prabhu, any name. Okay, so the greet and ask your question. This is how you can greet someone in French and answer. So I hope that this video will help not only those who learning French, and especially even for those who not learning French, they can still greet some other people in French. So thank you so much for watching, and see you then.